Hi friends, today we are solving two simultaneous equations with two variables. These are two special equations. You can see the sum of two numbers and their product being the same because x plus y equal to 10 and x multiplied by y is also 10. And we are solving for x and y. To begin with, let's take the first equation, x plus y equal to 10. If you take x to the right side from the first equation, you will have y equals 10 minus x. Then substitute this in the second equation. That is x times y equal to 10. So this one, x I'm writing as it is. Instead of y, let me substitute 10 minus x. And that equals 10. Now let's remove the bracket. X multiplied by 10x. X multiplied by minus x squared equals 10. Now take these two terms to the right side. And let me write x squared first. Minus x squared becomes plus x squared and 10x will be minus 10x. And there is already what 10 here on the right. I'm writing that as it is. So when you take these two to the right side, this side will be 0. Only thing is that I have written whatever you see on the right as the left side. I hope you understand this. So combining these two, we got a quadratic equation in x. Now we will solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. As you know, in formula method, the roots of a quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 is given by x equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by twice a. This is the formula to find out roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now compare this general form of a quadratic to the quadratic equation we have. So if you do the comparison, a will be 1 and b, which is the coefficient of x, that is minus 10. Don't forget to write the plus or minus sign that goes with the coefficient, and the constant term, that is c, that is 10. Now to get the roots of this equation, all you need to do is substitute these values in the formula. So there is a minus sign here, then b is minus 10. So you will have minus 10 plus or minus b square will be minus 10 square minus 4ac. A is 1, c is 10. The whole divided by twice of a, which is 2 multiplied by 1. Let me simplify this. Minus 10, as you know, plus 10, plus or minus. See, this is minus 10, the whole square is 100. Minus this on simplification, 40 divided by. Now that equals 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 40 is 60. So you have root 60 divided by 2. Now let me simplify root 60 separately. Root 60 is 4 times 15 and this is square root of 4 square root of 15. You can distribute the root sign. Now root 4 is 2 and this will be just root 15. So root 60 simplified to this. And let me substitute that here. So you have 10 plus or minus, writing 2 root 15 in place of square root of 60, the whole divided by 2. Now if you divide each of these terms by 2, 10 by 2, 5, and these two will cancel out, you will have square root of 15. And we have two roots. So the values of x are x equal to 5 plus square root of 15, and the second value is 5 minus square root of 15. Now we need to find out y. So what do you do for that? Let me take this equation, this one. This is y equal to, so that's y equal to 10 minus x. I'm rewriting the equation already given there. Now let me plug in the values of x. There are two values. We will plug in one by one in this equation. So write 10 first. Using the first value, 5 plus root 15. On simplifying, 10 minus 5. This minus will go to this side as root 15. Corresponding to this value, y is 5 minus root 50. Now use the other value, that is this value for x, and substitute here again. You will have y equal to 10 minus, instead of x, let me write the x value straight away. You have this on simplification 5 minus. So the values of x and y are interchanged. See, corresponding to this, you have minus root 50. So this is one pair of solution. So y is equal to 5 plus root 15. So you can observe something. For x equal to this, you have y equal to this. That is second value actually. In fact, this is one pair of solution. This is the other pair of solution. The solutions differ by just plus and minus. That's all. Now, if you want, we can verify the equations using these two solutions. Now, to verify, let me rewrite the equations we had, which is x plus y equal to 10 and xy equal to 10. So now let me take the first pair of values, which is 5 plus root 15, 5 minus root 15, and substitute here. Y is 5 minus root 15. See, these two will cancel out and you get the right side. Okay, now let me verify this equation for these two values. So xy equal to 5 root 15 multiplied by 5 minus root 15. This is in the form a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is a square, which is 5 square, minus root 15 the whole squared. 5 squared is 25. As you know, squaring and square root are inverse operations. So these two will cancel out and you will get 15, which is 10. Okay. So the first pair is verified. You can easily verify the second pair. I'm leaving it to you. So we have solved two special equations where you see the product and the sum of two numbers being the same. And we have got the solutions and we have verified also. If you like the solution, please like the video. And if you found a solution really helpful, please share it with others and also help grow this channel by subscribing to it. And feel free to press the bell icon so that you will be getting notified of all other videos I'm posting almost on a daily basis. By the way, whatever be your comments, be good or bad, if you can suggest something which can help me improve the videos, feel free to drop your comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.